Hello, we are Team SecVault, and for the cloud computing course, our project proposal was a location-aware mobile storage solution. So consider a scenario where you are presenting to a large audience and you want to make a file readily available to everyone. So you host it on a cloud server. Now all the mobile clients try to download it from the cloud server, and this creates unnecessary overhead on the server side and also consumes a bandwidth in the client side. Suppose if we can leverage the close location proximity of the mobile devices and construct a mobile ad hoc cloud and enable through peer-to-peer delivery, then we can solve the problem of server overload as well as save up client bandwidth. So in our implementation of a location aware mobile cloud, we have two parts. One is the cloud server app, and which is constructed in Meteor.js with MongoDB in the backend, and other is a mobile application which serves as both client and server. As you can see in the mobile application, the user has the option to monitor his uploads and downloads, or he can upload a file and download a file. So let's go ahead and upload a file. So now the user is presented with his this UI where he can upload files. So let's go and upload a file. So here I'm uploading a zip file. So once the file has been uploaded, the cloud server application maintains the location of the user as well as the timestamp at which he uploaded the file. That way we know where the user is exactly. So now when an alternative client wants to download the application or any other application available to him, so let's go and download. So once the user wants to download some application from the server, so a list of files are available and he can click on one of the files and click on the download option. So once the download button is clicked, the download option is intercepted by the cloud server, and the cloud server does a query where it presents the client with a list of available users which have the file already. So once this list is sent, the client automatically connects to the nearby devices through Wi-Fi Direct, as you can see. And once the client is connected to the nearby mobile server, the mobile server automatically serves the file. So as you can see, the requested file has been sent from the mobile server, and if there are no other mobile servers available around us, then the cloud server falls back and serves the file from the cloud server itself. So this covers the cloud characteristics of on-demand self-service, where the user is unaware of where the file is coming from, and once the file has been downloaded to the client, the client's location is also noted down by the server, and it automatically becomes a mobile server, and it can start serving nearby devices which request the same file. So this way, when multiple clients are requesting for the same file, our application, the mobile servers grow exponentially, and that way our application scales out very easily. So next we look at the cloud characteristic of a measured service. So every time the user uploads or downloads a file, the cloud server makes a note of the file size and the action type of action. That way, whenever the user wants to monitor his usage, he can click on the monitor button, and this shows a timeline of where X represents the dates, and Y represents the file size in MB, and the green are the uploads and red are the downloads. So that way the user can monitor how much file upload and download he's doing through the mobile cloud. The web application in the administrator view. So here, when a user uploads a file, an entry is made in the file user table, and when a download request comes in, the file name is checked for which all mobile servers have the file already. So then the user location table is queried to check which all mobile servers are in close proximity with the requesting client. And once the closest mobile servers have been determined, they are sent to the client to initiate Wi-Fi direct connection. And we also maintain a monitor table which monitors the incoming request as to what type of access it is, and the size of the file, and also the timestamp. And this provides this serves as a characteristics of broad network access, where our application is available on multiple platforms, both in web and mobile. And also for the client, the web application is very similar, except the tables won't be visible. So this is the application. So thank you.